The 3-day Chithenga, a seed sowing festival 2020, was concluded at Oname village under Purul subdivision in Senapati district yesterday. Chithenga is celebrated every year at the village with a number of cultural events like folk dances and demonstration of ardent pottery making. A special court of Gomati district in Tripura has sentenced 2 youths to death on charges of raping and murdering a minor. As per sources, the bench of Special Judge A.K. Nath pronounced the death sentence yesterday for the crime committed on December 5, 2018. The Joint Committee on Prevention of Illegal Immigrants has reiterated that there should be only one cut-off year for reinforcement of inner line permit in Nagaland, including Dimapur. JCPI said the cut-off year should be December 1, 1963, which is non-negotiable, media reports informed. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma led the foundation stone for the new building of Bagmara Civil Hospital in South Garo Hills the previous day. According to media reports, the occasion was also attended by Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Heg, Siju Rongara, MLA Rakam A. Sangma and Bagmara MLA Samuel Sangma. On the first anniversary of the deadly Pulwama terror attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the country will never forget the sacrifice of the 40 CRPF personnel who were killed after an explosive-laden vehicle rammed into their convoy on the Jammu and Kashmir district last year. The Jaish-e-Mohammed had claimed responsibility for the attack. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus outbreak has gone up to 1,488. In its new update, China's National Health Commission said it had recorded 121 new deaths and 5,090 new coronavirus cases on the mainland yesterday, taking the accumulated total infected to 63,851 people.